Your hair deserves love from nature itself. Imagine one oil that strengthens, growing, smoothing, and deep moisturizing your scalp. Today, I am sharing my powerful herbs infusing oil recipe with ingredients that I have been tested for long. So please stay tuned. Before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, I cannot take you guys for granted. So now let's move on. So guys, now you can see that I'm straining this oil. I infuse it almost like 2 months now. Okay, I infused it for 2 months now. So it was two oil because one was my daughter. I make one for my daughter, one for myself. So this oil is for those who have a high prostate hair. If you have a high prostate hair, then this oil is for you. But if you know that you don't have high prostate hair, then this oil is, you can only use it as a hot oil treatment, not for massage your scalp or let it, using it as a living in oil in your hair. Okay, so the oils that I was used was olive oil, aloe vera oil, sunflower oil, and mustard seed oil. Okay, these oils that I use for my own hair. And the herbs also was lavender, rosemary, hibiscus, and clove plus black seed. So I blended these herbs and added into this oil, the oils that I mentioned earlier, olive oil. So before that, even let us take some steps and look about the benefit of those ingredients, guys. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and antioxidant. It's also moisturizing and replacing spills ends and adding natural shine. That's olive oil. And aloe vera oil also is full of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It's also smoothing the scalp and reducing dandruff and helping hair growing faster. So sunflower oil also is packed with vitamin E. It also keep moisture locked and smoothing hair and reducing hair breaking. Mustard seed oil is also contain omega-3 fat acid, vitamin E, vitamin A, and vitamin D. It's also improving blood circulation into the scalp and helping with faster, thicker hair growth. So that's the mustard seed oil. So before that, we are going to go ahead and check about the herbs also, the herbs that I added. So now after straining, I'm adding my essential oils. Those oils also, I'll tell you people the essential oils that I use. Maybe you can use the same thing or you can use different one. It's up to you. I don't, yeah, you can use the same essential oil or different one. So now I'm adding black Jamaican castor oil, black castor oil inside. So why did I say that you cannot use it if you have low prostate hair? Because of olive oil is a heavy oil. It's not good for those who have a low prostate hair. You can only use it to stimulate your hair, do hot oil treatment, maybe just for 30 minutes, 40 minutes. You can go and wash it. But if you are going to be using it to do your hair massage and leave it inside your hair, it's not healthy for those who have a low prostate hair. Okay, so that's why I said that this oil, apart from that, only aloe vera oil is good for those who have a low prostate hair. And sunflower oil also is also good because those oil also are light oils. Okay, so this oil, those who have medium hair also, they can also use the same oil, the oil that I'm making right now. If you have a medium hair, you can use it. But those who have a low prostate hair, those I'll advise they shouldn't use it for to massage their scalp or leave it to make it living in oil for their hair. Only for using it as a hot oil treatment, or you can massage your scalp with that oil maybe 30 minutes to make it remain in your hair for 30 minutes. That time you can just go and wash it off without allowing it to stay in your hair for maybe a days or yeah, in a days. So now let's check and see lavender. Lavender also is lavender also is reducing hair shedding and itchiness. If you have itching, if your hair is itching, you are using lavender, is also going to help you to stop that itchiness. It's also promoting for faster hair growth. That's lavender. And rosemary also is stimulating hair follicles and boosting blood circulation and fighting for thinning hair. That's the rosemary. Hibiscus also is also rich in vitamin C and amino acid. It also strengthens roof and reducing shedding and adding promoting thicker luxurious hair to your hair. So now let's check clove. Clove also is contain antioxidant. It's also having vitamin K. Vitamin K. It's also stimulating hair shaft and also preventing dandruff from your hair. Black seed also is also known as a seed. Blessing seed. That's a black seed. It's also rich in so many vitamins and minerals. It's also reducing hair falling and supporting stronger new hair growth. If you don't want this, what do you want again? So these things you cannot be doing it and you will still have problem with your hair growing journey. So but everything, guys, I'm telling this, I've been saying it all my videos. I think if you guys watching my video, all my video, I'm continuous saying it. Consistency is the key here. When you are doing something, you have to be doing it consistency. So guys, after telling you the ingredients and the oils that I use to infuse this thing, now I'm pouring my oils. After add my essential oils inside, I'm pouring it into my bottle. So let's check. I'll tell you guys, because when I was checking, I was not showing you guys, telling you guys about the essential oils. So those essential oils would also, I will tell you people the essential oils that I added into this oil. So I added lavender essential oil, rosemary essential oil, vitamin E, and peppermint essential oil, avocado essential oil, coconut essential oil. So those essential oil that I added into this oil, you know that is going to be powerful. I'm not going to say it. You also can see it, because these essential oils is all having its own benefit, and it's also promoting healthy hair and new hair growing faster. If your blood circulation is flowing, there's nothing that is going to be blocking your hair. But the only thing, always make sure to clean your hair very clean before applying this. And also this thing, the best way to apply it and get the result, consistency, and also at least apply it to 3 to 4 times in a week. Okay, if you are looking for a best results, try to apply it 3 to 4 times in a week. How can you apply it? Always make sure to hydrate your hair first. Before that, let me tell you guys, if you know that you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like it, and share for me. Okay, it's very important for me. Now they have blocked my the hackers hack my account, my Google account, my Gmail account. So my main channel, I cannot enter there. And I contact with YouTube. They ask me to bring something which they call channel ID. I don't have that channel ID because I cannot get access to my channel, and I have never dreamed that one day that channel someone will hack it. So because of that, I didn't bother to take my, I said this, our small YouTube, who have time for me? Oh, nobody. No, I don't think they can do anything. So I have never think to go and take my channel ID and keep it somewhere. So now I'm looking for that channel ID. I cannot get it. So please guys, support me to grow this channel. I learned my lesson. I'm just praying that I will get that channel back, because I suffer. I put bread, I put effort into that channel a lot. So please support me to grow this channel back. Okay, so these are the oils that I bring. I strain my and my daughter. Maybe when you are seeing that oils is plenty like that, I and my daughter one is in the left side, mine is in the right side. So that's our oils. Okay, so we are going to be using it for scalp massage and also using for hot oil treatment. Okay, so guys, let's continue. Try to be using the consistency. If you use it consistently, you are going to get what you want. But if you don't use it consistently, don't think that what you want you can get it. You cannot get it. So forget about it. Everything consistency here. For hair growing journey, if you are looking for a way to grow your hair, you have to have time for your hair. If you say you don't have time, then forget about it. Now, just forget about it, because hair growing, you need to have time for your hair. If you don't have time, you cannot grow your hair. If you don't have time, you can if you have too much stress, you cannot grow your hair. If you are not sitting, your brain is somewhere else, you are not refreshing your brain, you cannot grow your hair. So all these things need to be refresh your hair. No stress in yourself. If you are putting stress in yourself, your hair will never grow, because you will not get the hair that you are looking for. Please guys, support us by liking this video, support us by sharing it. If you like it, please share it for others, our queens, so that they also can see it. In case someone also interested with natural hair care, they can know what they would do. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.